More free samples. This time it's these Korean foil masks, and it has vegan collagen, NAD+, and plant-based PDRN. So hopefully lots of good collagen boosting stuff. And again, I thought I was just getting one of these. They sent two. That's pretty cool. Hello, don't worry, it's not C3PO. It's just me trying on a Korean gold foil mask that I got for free from the TikTok shop. I will say that because of the foil, I don't know what the foil is supposed to do. Maybe it's just supposed to look cool. It does not stick to my face as well. I like how it's split already, so I can kind of, you know, try to make it fit, but it really is not sticking to my skin the way the other masks do. But let's see. Okay, I just took it off, and I mean, can't really tell a difference. So